What's going on, guys? It's Jason with Elite Trader Society. So today I'm going to go over key levels and show you guys how to find key levels. Key levels are basically what everyone trades off of. So when you find a key level, which is going to be these highs right here, and you see all these lows on Bitcoin. So there's going to be a key level here. Look how many times we bounced off. So I'm going to take this box, get like that. Then that's a key level right there. So now we pretty much can play off this level. So you see how many times we bounced off it? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So there's seven opportunities to go long here and make money. So that's a big key level. Let's find another one for you guys. I see one right here. It's a key level right there. You see how many times we hit it and got rejected? So look at all these highs. One, two, three, four, five. Right here, we break it, retest, and then we go up. Let's do. I'll do another one for you guys. I use Trading View. It's my favorite by far. Do let's do ES. Or no, I already have that charted. Let's do XRP. I don't have that charted. No, a lot of you guys like that. It's running like crazy right now. Broke out of this little wedge right here. Looks absolutely beautiful play. It's real bullish. This setup, Cardano is doing this setup right now. So I'm hoping it breaks out. I'm getting a little off topic. So we'll do key levels for XRP. We're on the daily. We'll do 4 hour here. Actually, daily looks easier. So you see how we came up here? There's the high. Look at all these lows. One, two, three. So there's a level there. Looks like there's a level here. So these highs became these lows. That's a key level right there. Let's do Cardano next. Come on. There we go. All right. So first thing I see is these highs right here, and then there's lows right here, key level, and then that's when you can make a play off of it. Um, I'm going to do another video on risk management and just explain. We use 3 to 1, and I'll go all into that. Explaining risk management, super important. But this video, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to find key levels to play off of. So to say I want to play off of this one, we broke it. I'm going to wait until we come and retest it again. So it took a while. So here, I'll show you if I went long here. I'll just show a little bit of how we do plays. So if we went long here and played this level, set your stop below here. Say we enter around here. And there's a 3 to 1 right there. But you should have your trade set up before you enter. You should know your stop loss. You should know your um, risk to reward every time. And a lot of people have no clue what they just think it's going to go up, so they go in. But you should have your trade already set up. I'll go into that next video. I'm going to start uploading probably once or twice a week and just throwing value out there for you guys. But here, let's do another level for you. I think I have Tesla already charted. I do, but I could just show you a little bit. So with Tesla, you see how we came up and it was highs, broke it, and then now they're lows. We broke it, now they're highs again. So we could have went short here, wrote it down to our next level. Oh, SPY's not filled out on here, so let's do today's level. I think 491 was a level today. Yes, you can see here. Here's highs, highs, and then we use it as lows. So I'll show you a play we could have done today. So we broke here and we got to wait for it to come back. So here we came back. Could have entered right around here. Um, let's do one more and then I'll show you a little bit on our Discord. Actually, I'll just show you our Discord now. So here's our Discord, and we have option alerts. We have live trading on Fridays. We have weekly watch list. We go live in the morning for weekly watch list. Just an awesome community. We all just try and win together and learn together. We have a 6 week one-on-one mentorship. Here's our students right there. Show your profits. Let's check this out. Everyone killed it today. 3,000. We show our losses also. Full transparency Discord. Here's SJV Spencer. He's the probably the best trader in our Discord. 17,000 yesterday. It's 1,000. There's 11,000. Our option alerts are probably they're some of the best. They're over 80% win rate. So you should check us out. I'll throw a link in our YouTube bio, and you can check us out. 7 day free trial. Come in, play our options, alerts, win some money. But that's it. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna subscribe and like if you listen to the video this long or watch the video.